When anything in creation fulfills its purpose, it brings glory to God. Jesus told the Father, I brought glory to you here on earth by doing everything you told me to do. Jesus honored God by fulfilling his purpose on earth. We honor God the same way. When anything in creation fulfills its purpose, it brings glory to God. Birds bring glory to God by flying, chirping, nesting, and doing other bird-like activities that God intended. Even the lowly ant brings glory to God when it fulfills the purpose it was created for. God made ants to be ants, and He made you to be you. Saint Irenaeus said, the glory of God is a human being fully alive